Good morning, children. Today, Rohana ma'am is taking for 4th standard, lesson number 11 in EVS, waste is wealth. So basically, waste, when you think about waste, you think of all the rubbish that you get in your house, correct? Unused stuff, or the vegetable peels that come out from the kitchen, or the dirt, the old papers. All this comes under waste. Now today's lesson we will learn what waste is wealth. So first we will distinguish between rural and urban waste. Now rural means, children, the village. Urban means city life. So in rural area, what are the waste that you get from the rural area? You will come to know about that. And what are the waste that you get in the urban area? You will come to know the difference between rural and urban waste. Secondly, you understand the proper methods of disposal of waste. Children, what's the meaning of disposal of waste? Means how the waste is thrown away. Everything, like you see, like when whatever intake is there should be an output for it, intake and output. So the waste, to whatever waste is in the house, like the garbage or whatever, that has to be disposed. So what is the good way of disposal of waste? And the third one is practice habits of reducing waste. How you can reduce waste around yourself. So these 3 points I'll be touching in this lesson. First is the difference between urban and rural waste, then how you dispose of waste, and how you can reduce waste. Okay, so I'll just read the lesson out to you. One beautiful morning, a cricket came flying and sat on the dustbin. The dustbin began to tell about its difficulties to the cricket. What a beautiful morning! Hey, what's your problem? I will tell you about my problems later. Listen, so this is between a cricket, this is a dustbin and a cricket. They are having a talk. So the dustbin is telling, when the cricket comes flying, he says, what a beautiful morning. So the dustbin says, no, it's not a beautiful morning. So the cricket tells, what's the problem? So the dustbin says, I'll tell you of my problems later. People create me by putting all the waste. They feel bad to even see me. So the dustbin is talking to the cricket. Cricket is a small insect, children. So the dustbin is telling the cricket that people keep dumping waste on me, and then they don't even like to see me. They collect the domestic waste. Waste collected in the houses is thrown in the dustbin. See how they throw in the waste. So the waste that is collected, children, the waste that is collected in the house, that is thrown in dustbins. Ugh, it smells bad, the cricket says. Look here, brother, peels of vegetables and fruits, tea leaves and crumbs of bread, they are decaying and cause bad smell. So what the dustbin is telling the cricket, that the bad smell is arising because of the rotten food. When you throw food which is kept for many days, children, it gives a dirty, rotten smell. So the dustbin is telling the cricket, this vegetable peels, fruits, dry leaves, tea leaves and crumbs of bread, other food particles, when they are kept piling over in the dustbin, they start emitting a very dirty smell. Hey, cockroaches, what are you doing here? The cricket is asking the cockroaches that are around the dustbin. So the cockroaches are saying, we are very comfortable here. Look here, how my children are wandering here and there happily. Brother, not only cockroaches but also rats are living here. So what the dustbin is telling the cricket, that there are not only cockroaches present in the dustbin, we have rats also. You will have rats, bandicoots, cockroaches, flies, all this will be coming on the dustbin. Brother, the waste contains tins, plastic and rubber too. They do not decay. It is better to give them to people who buy old things. So what the dustbin is saying, you should be able to segregate your waste. You should be able to segregate your waste. You should have a separate container for tin and sharp edged things. You should have a container for plastic. You should have a container for newspapers and a container separately for all the kitchen stuff, all the waste that comes from the kitchen. So the things which have been thrown, useful things, can be made out of these colorful bottles, tins and pieces of paper. See, there a model has been prepared out of waste material by the children. So what the dustbin is telling the cricket, that there are so many waste items over here. We can create beautiful models from plastic bottles, paper, used paper can be reused, plastic bottles can be made into models, and old broken glass bits can be made into something else. So the dustbin is telling different uses of the waste that is found in him. Look here, a lorry is coming to take you. Oh, I am clean now. Waste also have to be collected and classified well. So keep your dustbin clean. So what, children, you have seen the municipality sending a lorry with dust, to collect the waste in the morning. Your parents might be going and segregating wet waste, dry waste. They'll be giving it to the lorry people, and they take the waste and they collect it in a common dumping ground where the waste is then again segregated. Like bottles are taken separately, glass bottles are taken in another manner, paper is taken another way, and the kitchen waste is given to be recycled as compost or manure for the plants. Where do they take you? They take me to the outskirts of the locality. I decay there and change into manure. So the cricket will ask the dustbin, where are they taking all this rubbish and going? But the dustbin is talking to the cricket, says, they take me to the outside of this locality where they go and put me, and I'm left to decay and become into manure. They are municipality workers that have come with vehicles to collect waste from these dustbins. They remove the waste from the dustbins and keep the place clean and tidy. They carry the waste to the outskirts of the locality and dispose them there. See the board with instructions showing the type of waste to be thrown in the dustbins. Now children, on your page number 98, you have these dustbin colors. So here we say the dry waste. Dry waste, children, you have plastics, plastic bottle, glass pieces, metal, rags, rubber, etc. These all come onto dry waste, which can be given to rag pickers. They pick up this waste and they recycle them. Now wet waste. Wet waste is, children, the leftover food that comes from the kitchen, vegetable waste, dry leaves, pieces of paper, etc. These can be converted into manure. Then you have, children, okay children, look at these bags over here. You have a pink color dustbin. You have it for dry waste. Then you have a yellow color dustbin which you have for wet waste. And when you turn the page, here you have a green color bag. It's a bag which you collect hazardous waste. Children, hazardous waste means waste that is coming from the hospitals. Like you get these poisonous chemicals and the pesticides and all that, not from hospital, from the farmers area, like from the farming side you collect hazard. This is hazardous because they pollute the environment. So paints, insecticides, poisonous chemical, broken tube lights, used batteries, these are all poisonous to the environment. So these have to be collected into this green bag, children. Now when you come to the blue bag, the blue bag is polluted waste. Polluted waste is bandages, infected cotton strips, syringes and used needles. They are put into the municipality bins to be properly disposed of. So they go into municipality bins where they are again segregated. If this manure is used to grow plants, it would be nice, wouldn't it? Yes, the dustbin says. In villages, I will be put in a pit with grass, leaves and cow dung. Then they convert me into manure and use me to grow plants. So the dustbin is talking about the waste that happens in villages. I was talking about rural waste disposable system. where the farmers collect all the waste. They dig a pit, they put it into the pit, and they let the pit decay. It gets decayed, it breaks up into manure. What is this sound? Hello friend, I am Mr. Mosquito. I am Mr. Housefly. Look here, water comes from the houses and is collected in this pit. This place is suitable for us to lay eggs. So the fly and mosquito are talking to cricket. They are talking about how they sit in polluted water and they lay eggs so that more mosquitoes are born. Don't you spread diseases? The cricket will ask. If the people of this house let this water flow to the plant beds in the garden instead of leaving it to stagnate, we will not spread diseases. So what the mosquito and the housefly say? If the water is not kept stagnated anywhere, then it is easier for the dirty water to get disposed of, and there will be no diseases because they won't have any place to reproduce. These flies, mosquitoes, they lay their eggs in the water. So that's why we tell children you should not keep any water stagnated or not keep any water in any place. It should be left open. It should be left to free flow. Go to the plants and the water is essential for plants. So this water, instead of accumulating somewhere, you can let it out to plants. They make the water stagnate. Mosquitoes live and grow in the stagnated water. They should allow me to flow into a garden or a soak pit. So what the dustbin is telling, that the water should not be allowed to stagnate anyway. It should allow to flow into the garden. The cricket comes flying forward. Oh, it is better to get away from the bad smell. Hey cricket, what are you worried about? The ant will say. See the heap of waste everywhere. How do you dispose them off? I am worried about it. There is no need to use so many plastic bags. So the ant is telling the cricket that there is no need to use so many plastic bags, because plastic bags, children, it's very dangerous to the environment. Plastic doesn't get dissolved very soon. It takes ages to dissolve. So they are saying that instead of throwing the plastic bag, it should be used to bring things or to keep things. Peels of vegetables, fruits and can be composted. The tin should be used instead of throwing it away. Compost manure should have increased the soil fertility. If the sheets of paper are blank, they could be used to write. So the ants are talking about reusing all the waste articles. Now over here, children, here in this page number 104, there are some question answers. I would like you all to try to find the answer from the lesson and just give it a try to give the answers. Anyway, I will be sending you the answers in the next video. So you just have to try to find the answers yourself. Take a picture, write it down in your textbook. I don't want you all to write it in your classwork note. Write the answers in your textbook. Answers are given in the lesson itself. Try to read the lesson, understand it, find the answers, write it in your textbook, take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am's WhatsApp number. In case you have any difficulties, you can always call Miss and clear your doubts. Fine children, do this as homework. Page 104. The question answers have to be done. Question answers on page 104 has to be done as homework, and take a picture and send it to Rohana Miss. Okay? Fine children, do this and send the picture on WhatsApp to me and I'll get back to you. Thank you.